You've probably seen this blower all over TikTok, claiming it's lightweight, ultra-powerful, and can wipe your patio clean in seconds. But does the Seese Pro Blower actually deliver, or is it just slick marketing? Today we're cutting through the hype and showing you what it really does, the good and the bad. Before we continue, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product, I'm exposing it so you don't get misled. The Seese Pro is advertised as a cordless blower with turbine-style airflow up to 200 miles per hour and over 1,200 CFM, designed to replace bulky blowers, dry cars fast, and handle leaves, snow, and dust with one hand. On paper, it sounds amazing. Under 2 pounds, brushless motor tech, 21-volt battery, and multi-use versatility for your driveway, garage, or car detailing. Many owners say it does speed up cleanup and feels easy to maneuver compared to heavier gas or corded blowers. But here's the catch. Independent reviews and user reports reveal consistent problems: batteries that stop working after a few minutes, units that overheat and shut down, and customer service that's hard to reach. Some users say they never received accessories advertised or couldn't get refunds. That's a red flag you absolutely need to know before you spend your money. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for a light, fun blower for small jobs, it may offer short-term convenience. Just don't expect it to replace heavy-duty tools or live up to every claim on the sales page. But if reliability, customer support, and consistent performance matter to you, plenty of established brands in the leaf blower world outperform this one without the drama. Whatever you do, don't buy based on ads alone. Check real user experiences first. Always stay informed before spending your hard-earned cash.